Hey, what's up? It's Eric again. Today, I start my Tucson tour. This will be my first tour using a normal bike and not an e-bike, which in some ways it'll not be nice not having 27 pounds of batteries and probably 20 pounds of engine, but on the other hand, it's gonna be a little bit hard without it. Come join me for this adventure. I'm gonna eat some breakfast and then we're gonna head out. Butter. Of course, if you're having eggs, definitely gotta have some bread. And of course, some juice. Gotta have the juice. Okay, and that should give me the energy to ride about 100 miles, hopefully. All right, onward and forth. My summer tour, the same area here. It's flooded under probably, I don't know, probably about 4 feet of water or so. Now it's totally dry, so I'm gonna take this for quite a ways, probably till I think it's called 64th Street. So good times. Sun's coming up here soon. I'll probably have to take off this jacket, get a little warm, but right now it's actually a little cold. I think it's in the 50s. Yeah, it looks like somebody has a little makeshift house there. Going into Phoenix, fortunately I'm gonna be seeing a lot of that. See if there's any homeless in here. Probably. Be surprised if there isn't. Oh wow, there isn't. That's amazing, actually. Amazingly enough. That just smells like PO a little bit. Not PO style. Alright, tunnel number 2. Let's see if there's... Oh, there we go. Yep. Welcome to Phoenix. Tunnel number 3 that goes under 43rd Avenue here. Let's see, homeless or no homeless? Looks like, yep, that's a shit ton. In the city of Phoenix, it's a shithole. It's a shithole. Got the sun coming up over those 2 peaks over there. It's pretty. It's a little blinding though. Riding right into it. I think it's 27th, 28th Avenue. Can't read the sign. It's a little blurry there. Will there be or won't there be? There is. Trail I'm currently on, and I keep showing you the tunnels on. This is called the Arizona Canal Trail. It stretches from that park Rio Vista that I was at all the way to the east side of the valley in Scottsdale. It's a pretty big path. I'm not too sure how many miles it is. I have done it before. It was one of my previous tours. But yeah, I'll be veering off of it around like 64th Street and heading towards Tempe Lake, then eventually connect up with some other paths. Morning. That's a cool looking mountain there. I think that is called Camelback Mountain. Not totally sure. Okay. There's one of the only natural waterfalls in the city. They dammed it up and made it a power plant. Morning. I totally agree upon that decision, but hey, whatever. It'll look prettier as a natural waterfall, I think. Yeah, Arizona Falls is what it's called. Now I'm following 64th Street, heading towards Tempe Lake. Oh, yeah, I guess I'm in Papago Park. It's got a cool little feature called Hole in the Rock. Stations are real neat around here. It's interesting. Last time I was up here, they didn't have fences around the rocks. I'm not too sure about that. Doesn't look all that natural, but I guess they're trying to keep people off of it. Afraid we're gonna damage rocks. I don't know. Could have been people graffiti on them, but I just don't think the fence is the best solution. Hey, you're sitting there protecting rocks now. Anyways, it is a nice looking park. You used to be able to climb on the rocks. Not too sure anymore. Welcome to Tempe, everybody. Tempe Town Lake. Nice. This is a really nice day out. I'm liking this overcast. It's been pretty warm here in Phoenix. We're getting up to close to 90, 89 degree days. Still here in November. Today's supposed to be pretty nice. Supposed to be overcast through the early part. Wow, Tempe definitely looks like they dropped some money in here. It's like a second downtown in the valley. Back when they first tried to build this lake, they used a giant inflatable dam. Long story short, the thing ended up getting a hole in it and the whole lake drained. And they built back a better dam into it. This is kind of cool. It's a path under 101 on the Scottsdale Tempe side. All right, guys, about to get onto a road Dobson and pull off from here from Tempe Town Lake. Broke my old record of 31 miles. I'm at 33 now. Woohoo! Longest record without an e-bike, I guess I'd say that. Apparently I'm in Mesa now. They don't have any welcome to city signs when you're doing pathways. These paths are nice to get off the road. I definitely have to admit that riding 45 miles on nothing but path was damn impressive. I wish a lot of cities were like that. Crap, I actually wish there was path all the way to Tucson, but fortunately there is not. Taking a rest here at Higley and Pecos. A nice little green area here with some shade. Stop for a rest. I'm about 51 miles in. New record by far. I'm almost doubled my record here. Feeling good. Legs don't hurt or anything. I'm a little exhausted. That's why I stopped. Also need to get that jacket off. It's hot. Anyways, I'm gonna eat part of my almost pound of beef jerky here. I'll cool off a little bit, get my energy back to me, and looks like I'm going to be pedaling towards the city of Chandler. I'm just going to take a green break here, but I think it's like a $150 ticket. Knowing me, some cop would probably think I was like a homeless guy trying to set up camp over here and come down. Just don't feel like getting a ticket for it. Anyways, I'm going to ride down Pecos Road. Had to look. I ain't sure if I'm riding that right to Powers. See if I can find like a little desert spot or somewhere where I can get out of public view. I want a green break. I just get deep enough in here where a cop can't park his car. Cops are lazy. They usually don't like to walk more than like a 1/16 of a mile. So this looks perfect. Droney, come home.
Landing.
To Queen Creek, everybody, where you can find lots of queens. I don't know. I really don't. Made it to Florence, but I'm actually not going there. I'm going to Coolidge. It looks like got a few miles off-road following the train track here. Not gonna lie, it's gonna be nice to get away from the highway for a while. It's a little loud and hot. me quite a bit hotter. Yeah, I'll probably be doing slower speed, but it's fine. Just gotta find my way through the desert here. We're about 75 miles now. And I got probably about 25 to do, but yeah, I can definitely feel it in my legs now. They're starting to ache a little bit. Oh man. I think I gotta walk for a little bit. Oh man. Woohoo! Nice. I made it to Coolidge city limits, which is very good news to me because it has a McDonald's. I'm so hungry. Made it to McDonald's. Got the bike up, locked up out there. You can see through the window and everything. Also got an alarm set on it. Whew, man. Got my food. Legs want to stiffen up on me right now. I have to take some ibuprofen before I get riding the last 25 or whatever-ish miles. Man, that sun kicked my butt more than anything. Felt fine for 70 miles under clouds. Then I started riding with that sun hitting me. Drained my energy real quick. I don't know how red my face looks right now. But anyways, on the positive front, food, all salty fries, double quarter pounder, and I got a drink and a shake because I want to hydrate more. Got my bike just in use and here in the air conditioner. Could have went outside to eat, but I'd rather have the air conditioning. But yeah, there's the bike sitting out there, so I can keep an eye on it. Finally made it off Coolidge road. It's a horrible road, by the way. It needs repaved. It's really bumpy. There's absolutely no shoulder. Yeah, I'm not too sure if it was better or worse of a just a dirt road like this. But yeah, now I'm shooting out. It's not much of the sun left. It's trying to set on me, of course, because it's November. So trying to get out to camp now. I made it to my camp location, my designated camp location. It's right next to a little dry cow pond. Actually kind of glad it's dry because I don't really like mosquitoes. But yeah, I made it with just enough daylight left. Let's see, the sunrise should be, I can't even see it, or sorry, sunset. It's setting back over there. I probably only have maybe even 20 minutes of light left. Anyways, I made it. Got camp set up. Just need to air up the air mattress, whatever. I'm gonna relax. I'm pooped. I'd have to tell you, man, the last 25 miles was slightly missing the e-bike motor a little bit. That just means I gotta get stronger. I'm just getting wore out around 75 or so, which isn't bad considering 31 was my max before. Now somewhere around 90 or 100. It's on Strava. I'll probably fix it. I think I named it Hard Ride. I'll probably rename it Day 1 Tucson. Sorry, you see me swiping at these things. There's these little tiny flies flying around my face. But anyways, I'm gonna watch the sunset and sit in here and relax. I think I've earned it. Anyways, peace.